Hi, I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. Do you have tips to help my students calm their bodies and focus after lunch and recess? Here's the thing. Lunch and recess have become like this explosion free time because kids just don't play enough. And we all know that that's a big problem right now in our schools. So what we got to do is help them to understand what's going on in the transition times. Use the word transition. When they come in from lunch, you sit down, you say, whew, that was lunch is over. Let's sit down and gather up, take a few moments on what's going to come next. So I want you to take your kind of lunch cafeteria talking and enjoying your sandwich brain. And I want you to kind of park that a little bit because we're going to have to get into our reading brain now. And that's going to mean sitting down and not talking out and not being loud and not eating at the same time. So you are really being deliberate about what's expected of them. And that kind of shifts the brain. It's kind of like what we do as adults when we shift from work mode to vacation mode. You don't just get off vacation mode and go right to work in an hour and you're 100% on. You do some transitioning, but see, they haven't learned how to do that. So you got to be a little bit more deliberate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.